This is a pattern that you can knit with any yarn according to your size. My example is this needle's 3 mm and yarn suitable for this size. Cast on 76 stitches and work first row knit, all stitches knit. All knit. Second row, all stitches purl, all purl. Third row, purl, 1 slip, yarn in front, purl, 1 slip, yarn in front, purl, 1 slip, yarn in front. Next row, 1 knit, 1 purl. One knit, 1 purl. 1 knit, 1 purl. It looks like this. In front side, purl, and this is a slip loop. Now work 4 rows, knit in front side and purl in wrong side. It looks like this, and it's a pattern.